Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Replacing the trigger on your Dyson SV12 can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, it's a manageable task. First, gather the necessary tools: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Begin by ensuring your vacuum is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Lay the vacuum on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Start by removing the dust bin, press the release button and pull it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the trigger area. Next, locate the screws holding the trigger in place. Use the T15 Torx screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them for reassembly later. If you feel uncomfortable with this process or lack the tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the trigger away from its housing. Take this opportunity to clean the internal components with a soft cloth, as dirt buildup can affect performance. Here at our service, we ensure a thorough cleaning if you prefer to leave it to professionals. Now, compare the old trigger with the new one to ensure they match. If you don't have the replacement trigger yet, we can assist you in sourcing the correct part. To install the new trigger, simply align it with the housing and press it into place. Make sure it fits snugly. Then, take the screws you removed earlier and reattach them using the T15 Torx screwdriver. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, which could damage the plastic. After securing the trigger, reattach the dust bin. This is a good time to check for any debris that might have accumulated in the vacuum. If you need assistance with this cleaning, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it hassle-free. Finally, plug in the vacuum and test the new trigger. It should function smoothly. If it doesn't, double-check the installation and ensure everything is secured correctly. If you're still having issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We provide quotes before repair, ensuring you know the cost up front without any surprises. In conclusion, replacing the trigger on your Dyson SV12 is a straightforward process that can extend the life of your vacuum. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can do it yourself or take advantage of our convenient services to make the process even easier. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.